255 species in genus Heliotropium. The allure of Heliotropium, a personal exploration. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty and fascinating diversity of the plant world. Lately, I've become particularly captivated by the genus Heliotropium, a group of flowering plants that often go unnoticed despite their intriguing characteristics and rich history. Heliotropium, derived from the Greek words helios, sun, and tropion, to turn, belongs to the borage family, Boraginaceae. This name reflects the tendency of some species to track the sun with their flowers throughout the day, a behavior known as heliotropism. This fascinating adaptation maximizes photosynthesis by ensuring the flower heads are always facing the sun. A diverse and widespread genus. What truly amazes me about Heliotropium is its sheer diversity. With over 255 species spread across the globe, these plants have adapted to a wide range of environments, from coastal dunes to arid deserts and even mountainous regions. This adaptability is reflected in their varied forms, with some species growing as low-lying herbs while others develop into substantial shrubs. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just pretty flowers. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Heliotropium species have played a significant role in human history. In ancient Greece, the plant was associated with Helios, the sun god, and was believed to have magical properties. In the Middle Ages, it was used in herbal remedies and even in love potions. Today, while some Heliotropium species are still used in traditional medicine, the genus has also attracted scientific interest. Researchers are exploring the potential of certain species for their medicinal properties, particularly in the treatment of inflammatory conditions and certain types of cancer. A personal connection. My fascination with Heliotropium goes beyond its botanical significance. For me, it represents the resilience and adaptability of nature, its ability to thrive in diverse conditions and offer beauty and utility to the world. I find myself drawn to its understated elegance, the way its delicate flowers contrast with its often hardy foliage. Whether I'm admiring the vibrant blooms of Heliotropium arborescens in a garden or encountering the tenacious Heliotropium curasavicum along a coastal walk, each encounter with a Heliotropium species deepens my appreciation for this remarkable genus. It's a reminder of the intricate beauty and hidden wonders that await those who take the time to observe the natural world around them. I believe that the genus Heliotropium, with its rich diversity and fascinating history, deserves more recognition. It's a testament to the power of adaptation and the enduring connection between humans and the plant kingdom. As I continue to explore the world of Heliotropium, I'm excited to learn more about its secrets and share its story with others.